What's your why? Why do you want to get fit? Is it to feel better about yourself? To have more energy throughout the day? To be able to keep up with your kids or grandkids? Whatever your why is, hold on to it tightly. It will be your driving force on those days when you just don't feel like working out. Now, let's talk about the gym. Going to the gym can be intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But trust me, everyone in there started somewhere. The key is to just show up. Even if you're not feeling 100% that day, just show up and do what you can. Every little bit counts. Another question for you, what's your favorite workout? Is it lifting weights, running on the treadmill, or taking a group fitness class? Whatever it is, make sure you're doing something you enjoy. Working out shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be something you look forward to, something that makes you feel good. Now, let's talk about consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. You can't expect to see results if you're only going to the gym once a month. Make a plan and stick to it. Schedule your workouts like you would any other appointment. And don't be afraid to switch things up if your routine starts to feel stale. Try a new class or workout with a friend. Here's another question for you. What's your biggest obstacle when it comes to working out? Is it lack of time, lack of motivation, or something else? Whatever it is, acknowledge it and find a way to work around it. Maybe you can wake up 30 minutes earlier to get a workout in. Or maybe you need to find a workout buddy to keep you accountable. And now, for the secret tip. Are you ready? Here it is. Don't compare yourself to others. It's easy to fall into the trap of looking around the gym and feeling like everyone else is fitter, stronger, or faster than you. But the truth is, everyone is on their own fitness journey. Focus on your own progress and don't worry about anyone else's. In conclusion, remember your why. Find a workout you enjoy, be consistent, and don't compare yourself to others. And always remember, every little bit counts. You've got this. Now go out there and crush those fitness goals. Thank you for tuning into this motivational speech. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to hear more about my own fitness journey, let me know in the comments below. And remember, there's a secret tip at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until the end. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without